If you want to search the codes on your dashboard, and please download our app, Quick DTC. Here you can search every code. If you have issues with the wipers, if they are stopping in the middle, and after you even chain the wiper motor, it's still stop in the middle, that means you didn't set up the timing. I'm going to teach you guys how to set up the timing and how to change the wiper motor. I'm going to replace the wiper motor as well. Okay, so this is where is the wire. You come out of the truck. This is where the wiper motor is. We can replace this motor. We can open it and change that. To open it, you need an Ober-13 Rage.
And then?
You need a Torx. With the small ratchet, you need a Torx. This is a Torx 30. So, first, we're going to remove the wiper arms. This one. This is no 13. You just put it here. It's going to spin, so make sure you hold it here. Once it's open, then you know it won't move. So there you go. Now you can operate with the hand. You can download our app, go to the Play Store and search Quick DTC. And to use it, go to look up, and then you can search the brand, then add the code, whatever you on the dashboard, click look up, and then you get the results. It's very easy. Please download our app. Thank you so much. It's like that. You're going to reuse them, so make sure you don't lose them. So to remove this, put the wrench here, and that's it. It will come out. So leave it there. So now we can open this 3. But before you do it, I forget to remove the power switch or the plug. You make sure you remove the power plug. Now let's open it. So this you see. So the wiper motor is out. So this is how you remove the wiper motor. So now let's put it back, the new one. I'm using a old one, used one. I have the used one sitting in my parts room, so I'm going to use this one. So to put it back, you have to use it same way, like the plug always facing your side. It has to go like this. Make sure you align them. So now we're going to set up the timing. To set up the timing, make sure you plug in the wiper motor, power, and do not put this one. So wiper arm, rod. So leave it right there. This one, do not put it. If you put it now and you tight everything, your wiper going to stop right in the mid, like this. So to avoid that, you have to set up the proper timing to set it up. So you have to keep it removed, this one, tight the rest of the boards. And now let's go inside to set up the timing. To set up the timing, make sure you turn on the ignition, like this, and then press the washer fluid switch. If you have a water wheel can or whatever, you just press the washer fluid. Make sure the washer fluid comes there. Once this comes, just stop it. So after like a 30-second or 1 minute, then you can turn off the ignition. And then come out of the truck. Now the timing is set up. Make sure before you do everything, remove this plug. The electric plug. When you remove it, now you can put it back, this rod. When you're putting it back, make sure your wipers are placed on there where they're supposed to be, like here. So if you place it wrong, it's going to be going either over the window or either it's going to keep on touching here. So make sure your wipers are like that, placed like this. And another thing, this thing always are like this. You see that? You cannot put it like this. If you put it like this, your wiper's now going to be aligned up. So when you're putting it back, make sure it goes like this. Like that. On the board, it has to go like this.
So that means?
Just a little bit wiper and then put it back. It's in the back, in the place. Let's check out now. You can see? See, it's stopping on its place. It's not stopping in the middle. That's how you set up the timing. Now, it's working on all speeds. There. So it's working. So that's how you change the wiper motor? And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.